Hello there. How you doing?
I came to Let's Begin because I recently took a decision to quit my job and focus on looking after my kids full time, and I want to explore beginning something that helps me grow and learn and bring some extra income in for the family.
It is the most magical place where you can't even put into words.
Just to really clear my head and get some clarity and think about what I actually want to do and how I'm actually going to go about it.
I've had the most amazing time. It's been awesome. The group's been fantastic. Really amazing, like-minded group of people. I think it's very true about finding your tribe.
The space has been perfect. There are alpacas, there are yes buses. It's such a special place.
The knowledge that you shared this week, the skills that you shared, the workshops that you've run, the people that you've brought together for this retreat have just really helped me come away with a sense of clarity, with a plan, with more focus. I feel determined.
Dave and Krish are really experienced guides, and I think we've all transitioned from when we arrived, we were feeling a bit unclear of our direction, and it's just been such an amazing week. Our souls have been nourished.
Trying not to cry. It's been a wonderful, supportive place. We've been so well looked after. Ems has made the most amazing food, and it's just so nice not to have to think about cooking and being able to concentrate on all the stuff that we've worked through.
Even without the sessions, just coming to Big Sky Hideaway has been a really special time.
Worked with some phenomenal guys, giving us lots of ideas, particularly how I drive my business forward. This is my happy place. I've got the get up and go that had got up and gone. It's come back, and I'm grateful for that.
Yeah, just so grateful to have had this experience. I can highly recommend it.
And to anyone thinking of joining it in the future, I would say absolutely go and do it.